नीलातुङ्गस्तनगिरितटी सुप्तमुद्बोध्य कृष्णम् पाराद्यं स्वं श्रुतिशतशरसिद्धमध्यापयन्ति स्वचेष्टायां स्रजनिगलितं याबलात्कृत्य भुङ्क्ते गोदा तस्यै नम इदमिदं भूय एवास्तु भूयः அன்னவயல் புதுவையாண்டாள் அரங்கற்கு பன்னு திருப்பாவை பல்பதியம் இன்னிசையால் பாடிக் கொடுத்தாள் நற்பாமாலை பூமாலை சூடிக் கொடுத்தாளைச் சொல்லு சூடிக் கொடுத்த சுடர்கொடியே தொல்பாவை பாடி அருளவல்ல வல்வளையாய் நாடி நீ வெங்கடவர்க்கென்னை விதி என்றையும் மாற்றம் நாம் கடவா வண்ணமே நல்கு. Today is Trivadipuram. Trivadipuram is the Thirunakshatram or the Jayanti of Andal, Goda Devi. Who occupies a very, very important place in the Sri Vaishnava Sampradayam. Not just the Sri Vaishnava Sampradayam, but every Vishnu temple anywhere in the world. In every Vishnu Kovil, there will be an Andal Sannadhi. There will always be a separate dedicated shrine for Sri Andal. Whether the other Alvars are represented or not, Andal will be represented right next to Bhagavan as a form of Tayar herself, as an embodiment of the Divine Mother herself. And we are celebrating her Jayanti, Thirunakshatram today, the birthday today, Puram of this month, Pura Nakshatram. Now we will first welcome her with a song, inviting her as she comes in procession. And we are invited to enjoy the procession of Andal, the splendor with which she comes. ஆண்டாள் திருவடிகளே சரணம். In Srimad Ramayana, we are looking at the glories of Sita. Sita was found from the earth when Janaka Maharaja was plowing the field. And we know her to be Sakshat Mahalakshmi herself. In the same manner, Goda, very word Goda means given by the earth. She who is given by the earth, Goda, அப்படிங்கிற ஆண்டாள், also came in the same way. Now what is great and unique about her is that she starts off as a devotee of the Lord and ends up being promoted to the status of the divine. She starts off as a devotee of the Lord, wanting to marry him, pining and yearning for him, and demonstrates to all of us that through that yearning, through that pining, what can happen? We can directly unite with him. Shri Vishnu Chitta Kulanandana Kalpavalli Shri Rangaraja Harichandana Yoga Drishya Sakshat Kshamam Karunaya Kamalam Ivanyam Godamananya Sharanaha Sharanam Prapadye. Swami Desikan's Godastutila, he expresses his complete surrender to Andal and refers to as Shri Vishnu Chitta Kulanandana Kalpavalli. Who is she? Shri Vishnu Chitta Kulanandana Kalpavalli. She is the wish-fulfilling creeper that came to delight the lineage of Vishnu Chitta. Shri Vishnu Chitta Periyalvar. Amongst the 12 Alvars, they all have very strange names. Bhudat Alvar, Pei Alvar, Poihe Alvar and Pergallam undu. Adile one Alvar is called the Big Alvar, Periyalvar. One Alvar is called Nam Alvar, our Alvar. The one we are talking about here is Periyalvar, Big Alvar. His original name is Vishnu Chitta. Vishnu Chitta, like how we've been explaining in Ramayana also, it's a compound word, Vishnu Chitta. It has got two meanings. One in whose Chitta Vishnu is, or he who is residing in Vishnu's Chitta. Chitta means heart, mind, memory, etc. Chitta na memory. Vishnu Chitta, one who is always remembering Vishnu. Vishnu Chitta means one who is always remembered by Vishnu. Why is he always remembered by Vishnu? Why was he called Periya Alvar? Because he is the father of Andal. And since Rangaraja marries Andal, he becomes the father-in-law of the Lord. Periya Alvar thane. Periya Alvar liyo. Perumalukku appavana kadayadhe thavara maamanar undu. Appavana illai ammavana illai nu sollalam. The Lord may not have mother and father, but the Lord has father-in-law definitely. Ranganathanukku maamanar undu. Shri Vishnu Chitta Kulanandana Kalpavalli. Shri Vishnu Chitta Kulanandana. She is the wish-fulfilling creeper that delights the clan of Shri Vishnu Chitta, or Periyalvar. அப்பேற்பட்ட என்ன குலம் அது? பெரியாழ்வாரோட குலம் என்ன குலம் அப்படின்னா, எந்தை தந்தை தந்தை தம் மூத்தப்பல் ஏழ்படி கால் தொடங்கி வந்து வழி வழி ஆட்செய்கின்றோம் திருவோணத் திருவிழவில் அந்தியும் போதில் அரியுருவாகி அரியை அழித்தவனை பந்தனை தீரவல்லாண்டு பல்லாயிரத்தாண்டென்று பாடுதமே அப்படிங்கிற குலம். என்ன குலம் அப்படின்னா, வாட் இஸ் தி கிளான், த லீனியேஜ் இன் விச் சுவாமி பெரியாழ்வார் கம்ஸ் அப்படின்னா, எந்தை தந்தை தந்தை தம் மூத்தப்பன் ஏழ்படிகால் தொடங்கி வந்து வழி வழி ஆட்செய்கின்றோம் அப்படின்னு ஒரு குலம். திஸ் இஸ் த கிளான் இன் விச் எந்தை மை ஃபாதர், தந்தை his father, தந்தை his father, தம் மூத்தப்பன் his great grandfather அப்படின்னு 7 படி 7 generations, starting 7 generations ago, 7 படி கால் தொடங்கி starting 7 generations ago வந்து வழி வழி, and from each generation, each succeeding generation in a parampara, in a tradition, unbroken tradition, ஆட்செய்கின்றோம். We are the servants of Bhagavan Sriman Narayana. ஆட்செய்கின்றோம் அப்படிங்கிறார். We are the servants. யாருக்கு servants அப்படின்னா, திருவோண திருவிழவில் அந்தியம் போதில் அரி உருவாகி அரியை அழித்தவனை, the one who appeared in the evening time in order to destroy Hiranyakashipu in the form of a man lion. இந்த ஹரி உருவாகி வந்த அந்த பந்தனை தீர பல்லாண்டு பல்லாயிரத்தாண்டு பாடுதுமே. We are the clan that always praises the Lord who appeared in order to destroy Hiranyakashipu in the evening time. And I am not the only person doing it. I have done it. My father has done it. His father has done it. His father has done it. His great grandfather has done it. Abdinga 7 generations we have been undiluted bhakti, uncorrupted bhakti, uninterrupted bhakti we have been doing. Apperpatta kulam. This is a Periyalvar's passaram. This particular verse is from Periyalvar, where he himself said, this is our clan. What kind of clan அப்படின்னா, வாழாட்பட்டு நின்றீர் உள்ளீரேல் வந்த மண்ணும் மனமும் கொண்மின் கூழாட்பட்டு நின்றீர்களை எங்கள் குழுவினில் புகுதலொட்டோ ஏழாட்காலும் பழிப்பிலோம் நாங்கள் இராக்கதர்வாழ் இலங்கை பாழாளாக படை பொருதானுக்கு பல்லாண்டு கூறுதமே. Again he says, what is the kind of clan we come from? ஏழாட்காலும் பழிப்பிலோம், 7 generations of faultless, blemishless people we are. How did we become blemishless? நாங்கள் இராக்கதர்வாழ் இலங்கை பாழாளாக படை பொருத்தானை பல்லாண்டு கூறுதமே, because we have always been worshipping Sri Ramachandra, who went to Lanka filled with all the Rakshasas. இராக்கதர்வாழ் இலங்கை, the Lanka filled with Rakshasa, Paralaga Padaiburutane, who led an army to destroy Lanka. That Sri Ramachandra is the one whom we have been worshipping for 7 generations, therefore we are faultless. Abdinga Periyalvar has established the 7 generation அப்படின்னு. அப்ப 8th generation யாருன்னா ஆண்டாள். அப்ப ஆண்டாள் 8th generation போல இருக்கு. ஆண்டாள் must be considered as the 8th generation in that lineage. What does she do அப்படின்னா, she ends that lineage. அதுக்கப்புறம் lineage கிடையாது, அதோட அவ்வளவுதான் அந்த lineage. ஏன்னா what is the, so 7 generations they have done tapasya. A lineage has been doing tapasya for 7 generations, generation after generation they have been doing tapasya without any faults அப்படின்னா. For what purpose they have been doing tapasya? So that Andal may arise in their clan. We grow paddy in the field, rice paddy in the field. Adukku rice needs a lot of water. Adanaala standing in ankle deep in that water, they will sow the paddy seeds, keep watering it until it starts growing and brings about a lush crop, and then they will harvest it. And when they harvest it, that is the end of the crop. For months together you struggled, then in the end you have destroyed the crop. It's not the destruction of the crop, it has yielded the result that we have been working for all this time. The reason why we have been standing in the water and looking after this crop is so that we may get this paddy grains. Like that, Periyalvar's entire Vamsham has been doing tapasya so that Andal may arise in that clan. She is the wish-fulfilling creeper of that clan. Whose wish did she fulfill? The wish of all the ancestors she is fulfilling. Shri Vishnu Chitta Kula Nandana Kalpavalli. The wish-fulfilling creeper that has fulfilled the desires and the aspirations of every single member of that clan. All of them wanted to attain the Lord. That is why they are worshipping the Lord. Pallandu Kurdame, all of them are singing his glories in order to attain him. She not only attained him, she Andal, she ruled over him. She ruled over his heart. Perumal attained her. Rather than Andal attaining Perumal, enna achinna Perumal went and attained Andal enna. Varanamayirangra Pashurathula Andal solra karam bidikka kanagandeen tholinaan. Naranan Nambi. Sakshat Narayana himself came and held my hand. Abdin Kalyanatha Kanakandra. She sees her wedding with Ranganatha happen in a dream. And she wakes up and she composes that Pasuram as though she is narrating it to all her friends, Tholina friends, female friends. Kanakandeen Tholinaan. I saw a dream of my friend. Abdini she narrates. And in that she says, Kaitalam Bhatrak Kanakandeen Tholinaan. Bhagavan came and held my hand. Abdina Bhagavan attained me. Abdina. So when everybody else is doing tapasya to attain the Lord, here the Lord came and attained Andal. Adanalada she is worshipped. Ella Govilliyume Andal Sanadini Pratyekama Vachukundu. Why we are worshipping Andal Abdina? Because the Lord attained her. Appa enna position irukanum? Appa what status she has got? Adanala what is she Abdina? Kalpavalli nu solra. Desikan சொல்றாரு கல்பவல்லி அப்படின்னா wish-fulfilling creeper. Now we've heard of wish-fulfilling tree, kalpataru, kalpaka vriksham we have heard. Kalpa vriksham we have heard. Ana idu enna kalpavalli? Valli na creeper. Why is she a creeper not a tree? அப்படின்னா என்ன vrikshaha அப்படின்னு சொன்னா அது masculine gender. சம்ஸ்கிருதத்துல in Sanskrit grammar vriksha இந்த vriksha சப்தம் இருக்கோ இல்லையோ அது வந்து masculine gender. அதனால ஆண்டாள போய் கல்பவ்ருக்ஷான்னு சொன்னா அசிங்கமா இருக்கும். We cannot call her கல்பவ்ருக்ஷஹா அப்படி சொன்னா ஆண்டாளுக்கு பொருந்தாது. Gender is mismatching. Andal being a woman, to call her vrikshaha is not appropriate. அதனால வள்ளி. Oh, so simply for the sake of grammar, he made her the creeper. அப்படின்னா இல்லையாம். அதனால இல்லையாம். பின்ன என்னன்னா Shri Rangaraja Harichandana Yoga Drishyam. The creeper never exists on its own. The creeper cannot exist on its own. The creeper needs a support upon which it creeps. இல்லையா? அதுக்கு வந்து பற்றுக்கோடு வேணுமே. பற்றுக்கோடுன்னு அக்ஷரமணமாலையில பகவான் சொல்றாரு. பற்றுக்கோடாய் கா அப்படின்னு. A creeper needs something solid, a tree, a pole, a post, something upon which it goes and padarum. It creeps onto that. It needs a trellis. In the forest, in the wild, there is no such thing there. What do the creepers do? They will coil around a tree. If there is a tree nearby, the jasmine creeper, or creeper, Paingodiainan Patratru. Patratru Vaya, Patrugodaika Arunachalavan. Paingodi, அப்படின்னா பகவான் யூஸ் பண்றது அந்த வேர்ட் பைங்கொடியா நான் பற்றற்று. பைங்கொடி அப்படின்னா டெண்டர் creeper அப்படின்னா அர்த்தம். Gentle tender creeper. A delicate creeper. The creepers are very very delicate. But the delicate creeper, what does it do? It needs a support, it needs always associated with some strong entity, generally a tree. The wild, it grows by wrapping itself, coiling itself around the tree. Appo Andalungra creeper, what is the tree for her? What else can be the tree? Shri Rangaraja. Rangarajan is the tree. Ranganathan is a tree. And what kind of a tree Ranganathan? Harichandana. Harichandanam. Harichandanam, Shvetachandanam. Raktachandanam. Harichandanam. Chandana Vriksham. Sandalwood tree. Sandalwood tree. In a fragrant tree. Ranganathan Shumava. Edo Marama. Rangaraja Harichandana. Harichandana Vrikshamarka Kudiya Ranganathan. Sri Rangaraja is the sandalwood, fragrant sandalwood tree, and she is the creeper, the wish-fulfilling creeper that grows upon the sandalwood tree called Rangaraja. How do we see her? Yoga Drishya. Yoga united. Yoga means united. The English word union, united, comes from the Sanskrit word yunj. And yoga also comes from the same thing. Yoga, to unite, to join. To unite in artha. Yoga Drishya, united. Appa Andal is giving darshan to us. How is she giving darshan to us? United with Ranganatha, she is giving darshan to us. And the குழந்தைகள்லாம் பாடும்பொழுது, when the children sang a song, they sang பூவை மாலை அணிந்து சேர்த்தியில் ரங்க மன்னாருடன், பூவை மாலை அணிந்து சேர்த்தியில் ரங்க மன்னாருடன் புஜங்கள் பூரி தீருப்ப அப்படின்னு பாடினார். she's சேர்த்தி ரங்கமன்னாரோட சேர்த்தி சேவை தான் ஆண்டாள். ஆண்டாள் is united with Ranganatha. சேர்த்தி அப்படின்னா joined together அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். So she's united with Ranganatha. So the way in which we see her is how she, as the creeper, wish-fulfilling creeper that has gone around him. Not only she is the wish-fulfilling creeper of the family of Periyar, for us also she is the wish-fulfilling creeper. When we go to Brahman and we stand in front of him and we ask him, and he says, and if he grants us the prayer, how is the prayer being granted? Swami Deshikar says the prayer is granted because Andal is also present there as the wish-fulfilling creeper. Harichandana onnu kudukadu. Adu anga Kalpavalli irukradhanaala kudukkurom. Because Kalpavalli Rupiniya Andal is also associated. Therefore, when we go and ask something, she gives it. Otherwise, it is not possible for us to, it may not be possible for us to get it. Because if you want to get the essence of sandalwood, then you have got to chop a branch or something of the tree, or the core of the tree, and the core pith. You have to get that, and then you have to grind it, and then only you will get the sandal paste. That means you have got to put in a lot of effort before you can experience the sandalwood paste. But Ranganatha is standing as the Harichandanam. About experience Ranganatha, we've got to do a lot of sadhana, we've got to work hard before we can attain Ranganatha. Illana we cannot get Ranganatha. And the Kalpavalli apdi kadiyadu. Wish fulfilling tree is not like that. All you've got to do is sit near it and wish for whatever you want, it will keep giving it. Sri Ramakrishna Paramahansa's famous story, of a man who went and in the forest sat under the wish fulfilling tree and kept asking for all kinds of things and got everything that he asked for. He was tired, so he wanted food. Food came. He was tired. He wanted a bed. His bed came. He thought, do massage my feet. Two people came to massage the feet. Then he thought, everything is happening. Whatever tiger comes, the tiger came. What does the tiger eat? The tiger ate it. He doesn't have to do sadhana to get all of these things. All he has got to do is somehow sit near the Kalpaka Vriksha. Like that. We don't have to do sadhana or anything. All we have got to do is somehow get near Andal. If you are near the vicinity of Andal, then she becomes a wish-fulfilling tree. What wish will she grant? She herself says, Matrinam Kamangal Matrunna. Avale enna sonna Jakrade Anna. In Tirupavi, she very carefully, very clearly, she says, let me not have any wishes. let me not have any wishes whatsoever in my heart. If at all I want any wish, the only wish I have is எற்றைக்கும் ஏழாழ் விரைவைக்கும் முந்தன்னோடு ட்ரோமையாவோ உனக்கே நாமாட்சைவோ மற்றை நம் காமங்கள் மாற்றேல் வரும்பாவாய். If at all I should have a wish that you should grant me, the only wish that I want is, no matter how many births I have got to take, I have got to always serve you. Periyalvar says, for 7 generations we've been serving you. Andal says, for 7 births I should serve you. For 7 generations na தனித்தனியா ஆட்கள் 7 பேர் வந்து நானே 7 தலைமுறைக்கு நான் 7 ஜென்மாக்கு உனக்கு சேவை பண்றேன். 7 மாத்திரமில்லை 7 விரவிக்கும். Not merely for 7 births, 7 times 7, 7 plus 7, 7 ரெண்டு தடவை சொல்றா. 7 and 7 அப்படின்னா 77 ஆம். 7 and 7 அப்படின்னா 7 times 7 ஆம். 7 the power of 7 ஆம். 7 plus 7 ஆம். தெரியாது. என்னவா இருந்தாலும் சரி, let it be however it should be. ஏன்னா யத் பவ்யம் எதை நடக்கணுமோ பூர்வ கர்மானுரூபம். பூர்வ கர்மானுரூபத்தில் என்ன நடக்குமோ நடக்கட்டுமே. யத் பவ்யம் பவத்து பூர்வ கர்மானுரூபம் அப்படின்னு குலசேகராழ்வார் சேசன் முகுந்தமாலை இல்லையா. ஏபிப்ரார்த்தியம் மம பகுமதம் ஜன்ம ஜன்மாந்தரேபி த்வத்பக்தா த்வத்பாதாம்போருஹகதிதயா நிஷ்சலா பக்தி ரேகா. What is the only thing that I am asking for? No matter how many births I have got to take depending upon my karma, it doesn't matter. Enna birth irundhalum, let any birth be there. If I can associate myself with you, if I can be devoted to you, if I can serve you, if I can be close to you, doesn't matter how many births. In Risama Avatara, let me be Prahalada. In Rama Avatara, let me be Anjaneya. In Krishna Avatara, let me be Arjuna or Uddhava or Gopika. As long as my births are always associated with him, then how many births I have? Those who are the Kaikariya Sampradayathala or Priya Vishayam enna appadina, we are not afraid of births. There are 2 ways in which you become free from bhava, bhayam. Bhava appadina becoming another, taking another birth and becoming somebody else again. Adukku bhayam. We have got fear of that because who knows what's going to happen. But there are 2 ways in which you conquer it. What is the first way? First way is to recognize the truth of who you are. Atma Swarupa. I have no birth, no death, none of these things apply to me. Therefore, there is no fear of me becoming something. I will never become anything. I will always remain as I am. Nayam bhavitava na bhuyaha appadinu solli, I am not going to become anything again. Nayam bhutva bhavitava na bhuyaha. I was not something before, I will not become something else later. Appadinu onnume illama na jayate mriyate va kadacham அப்படிங்கற ஆத்மஸ்வரூபம் நான் அப்படின்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறது. Understanding myself to be that பிரம்மஸ்வரூபம். இல்லையா அப்படின்னா what is the other way அப்படின்னா understanding my கைங்கரிய ஸ்வரூபம். Understanding myself to be eternally related to him, eternally devoted to him, eternally in service to the Lord அப்படின்னு கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டாலும், even if I recognize that, then also I do not have any fear. There is nothing for me to worry about because what is going to happen? இந்த birth எப்படி இருந்தது? For instance, this birth, how is this birth being? Do any of you have any complaints? யோசிச்சு பாருங்க. If you really think about it, if you have complaints அப்படின்னா then you don't like the satsang அர்த்தம் இல்லையா? What are you getting? You're getting we are coming together and discussing the glories of Bhagavan. Every day we are thinking about him. Every day we are happily listening to Ramayanam enna, Bhagavatam enna. அப்படின்னு நம்ம பாட்டு கதை கேட்டு இருக்கோமே. ஆண்டாளுடைய சரித்திரம் என்ன, ஆழ்வார்களுடைய சரித்திரம் என்ன, ஆழ்வார் சூக்திகள் என்ன, முகுந்தமாலை என்ன அப்படின்னு ஒன்னொன்னா நம்மளும் கேட்டுட்டே ரசிச்சுண்டு ஆனந்தமா இருக்கும். We are enjoying our life listening to beautiful nectar-like stories of the Lord, the utterances of the Mahapurushas, Mahavakyamgal. ரமண பகவானுடைய சரித்திரம் என்ன, சுவாமியினுடைய ஒரு மகாத்மியம் என்ன அப்படின்னு we are enjoying so many different things. What is there to complain? Do you not like satsang? I don't want another birth, I don't want another birth அப்படின்னா do you not want satsang again? இருந்தா இருக்கட்டுமே சத்சங்கம். இருந்து சத்சங்கம் தானே இருக்க போறது. When in this birth, the Lord took such pains to bring me to Him. I do not know how my past birth was. I do not know what I did in my past birth. No matter how I was in my past birth itself, He chose me and He brought me close to Him in this birth. In this birth, I know I have lived for Him. Then why should I fear the next birth? I do not know for sure whether I lived for Him in my past birth. Even then He brought me to Him. In this birth, when I know I am living for Him, why should I fear the next birth? What will happen? If at all there is another birth, what will happen? The same story will continue. Same story will continue. Once again, we will sit and give pravachanam. We will talk about Ramayana. We will talk about Bhagavatam. Either we have no birth at all, but we have a birth, how else can that birth be? We don't have to worry. The common thing that we generally say, how do you know what your next birth will be? That's not applicable to us. How can we say that? We saw this birth. When He was able to shower so much grace in this birth, grace quota. Sorry, all your grace I have expended in the last birth itself. No more grace in the chala. And how have we lived this birth? We have lived this birth looking at only His grace. Tattenu kampam susamikshamano bunjanayeva atmakritam vipakam. அப்படிதான் இருந்திருக்கும். Kripa, arul. We've only been looking at grace all the time. So what else will be coming to us in the next birth? If at all there is a next birth, also grace only. Other than grace, nothing else can come to us. Adhanala, Andal Dhairiyama Choldra Yatrikum, Yeravikum, even if I have got to take 7 births, 7 times 7 births, 7 plus 7 births, 77 births, 7 to the power of 7 births, does not matter. All that I want is, once you give this, then I don't have a worry. What is the only thing I want? Undannodu uttromeavo, undannodu uttrom. Close up, very close to you. I've got to be in the inner circle. I have to be close to you. Uttromeavo, unakena matchaivam. I should always serve you. And most importantly, if you grant me this, then everything else is safe. Matrai nam kamangal matru. Let one say. In the desire should not come. Again and again, I should be close to you, I should serve you. I should be close to you, I should serve you. I should be close to you, I should serve you. Being close to Him and not serving Him is waste. What a useless life it would be if you have the opportunity of being close to Him, but then no service to Him. Even inanimate objects can be of service. If you are close to Him, then I was thinking, if you are close to Him, like a chair, even the chair is of service to Him because He can sit down. Also, if you are close to Him, you cannot but serve Him. When you look at Him, how can you not serve Him? When you understand His glories, when you understand His gunas, how can you not serve Him? அப்பேற்பட்ட குணத்தோட பெருமாள் இருக்கும் பொழுது கைங்கரியம் பண்ணாம சேவை பண்ணாம என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருப்போம்? இந்த பெருமாளுக்கு பண்ணாம வேற யாருக்கு தான் பண்ண போறோம்? அப்பேற்பட்ட பகவானுக்கு பண்ணலைன்னா யாருக்கு பண்ண போறோம்? If to Bhagavan we cannot render service, who else is there to receive our service? அதனால when we come to Him, naturally we will be in an attitude of service to Him. Adhanala, she is the great wish fulfilling creeper that grants us this wish. Yogata kudukara. Yoga drishyam. She gives us also union with Ranganatha as she attained union. Adha Andaloda or periya perumai enna appadina appume somebody who can understand us well appadina, somebody who has been like us before only can understand us well. The great beauty of Andal that we can go to Andal and we can tell her, Emma, நீயும் இப்படித்தானே ஏங்கின, நான் இப்படித்தானே ஏங்கிட்டு இருக்கேன், உனக்கு கிடைச்ச போது உனக்கு எவ்வளவு சந்தோஷமா இருந்தது, எனக்கும் கிடைச்சா எனக்கு சந்தோஷமா இருக்காதோம்மா அப்படின்னு கேட்கலாமோ இல்லையோ? we can find in Andal somebody to relate to. Because Andal also yearned and pined and finally attained the Lord. We are also yearning and pining. If we also attain, how wonderful it would be. Yeah. But therefore, we can certainly go to Andal and say, just as you attained, can you not also make me attain? A sympathetic ear. Ramana Bhagavan gave so much importance to food whenever anybody would come. If whoever came to the ashram, Bhagavan would say, Chaptiya, have you had food? Have you had food? If there is no food, Bhagavan will be very disturbed until food is available. Some kind of food is available to them. Only nuts or fruit or nut something. If suppose they come late, train is late, breakfast is finished, there is nothing inside. Bhagavan would say, is there nothing for him? He has just arrived, Pashikume, he'll be hungry. They will hunt around, scrounge around, give something to him, then Bhagavan will relax. So somebody asked Bhagavan, why are you so concerned? Why are you so worried? Bhagavan's reply was to the point. He said, I know what is hunger. Bhagavan has spent so many days without any food. Bhagavan knows what it is to suffer the pangs of hunger. Unless we have suffered, we will never know. We will not know the suffering of another person. Otherwise, like Mary Antoinette, we will say, let them have cake. There was a French queen. And apparently, this French queen, allegedly, reportedly, there was a great shortage of food in France. And they went and told her, people do not even have bread to eat. She famously responded, then let them eat cake. They don't have bread to eat, let them eat cake. She has bread and has cake, so when she doesn't feel like eating bread, she will eat cake. So she thought the same logic will apply to all of them also, and she said, if they do not have bread, let them eat cake. One who does not understand this will say, let them have cake. But the one who has understood hunger will immediately do something for them. Adamadri Ramana Bhagavan would say, I know what is hunger. Adamadri, like that, Andal knows what it is to pine for him. Having previously pined, yearned and then earned. Andal yearned for him and earned him. Therefore, she also knows what it is to go through that pining, that state where Bhagavan is not had, Bhagavan's connection has not happened. We are not feeling his presence. We do not have him with us. Abdingar and the gati and the state, whatever that state is, Andal very well recognizes it. Adanala, should we go to her with this one prayer in our lips and say, Enakum Parmal Vadume, Enakum and the Kainkarya Bhagyam Vadume, Prapti Vadume, Enakum Adshayanume. I also want to become a slave. I also want to be a servant. I also want to have that opportunity to be of service to him, to be close to him, to attain him. But if we go and tell Andal, Andal is the first person to recognize that. Sakshat Kshamam Karunaya Kamalam Ivanyam. Sakshat Kshamam, she is Sakshat Bhuma Devi herself. Karunaya, and in compassion, Kamalamivanyam. She is equal to Mahalakshmi. She is equal to Bhuma Devi. She is equal to Mahalakshmi. Abdin Dejikan Chulra. Apadam Bhuma Devi, Mahalakshmi, Irkale Prahandal Enathuk. Bhuma Devi is there. Bhudevi is there. Shri Devi is there. Now, why is Goda Devi required? Abdina. Bhudevi did not do any tapasya. All that happened was the Rakshasa took her, and when Bhagavan took Varaha Rupam, came and extracted her from the ocean and united with her. Shri Devi Tayaro, Mahalakshmi Tayaro, when the ocean of milk was churned, she arose from that and she went straight and got married to him. Yarum pain panna mari theriyala. Therefore, if you go to Bhuma Devi Tayar and say, Amma, I want to attain him, Abdina, she will say, I suppose you will attain. I don't know what you have got to do. Maybe look for a Rakshasa to carry you away. Then maybe you will attain him. Abdinu Shaludu. She has no experience. Mahalakshmi Tayar to get a perhaps have a dip in milk. Maybe you will attain him. Abdinu Mahalakshmi Tayar will say, they do not have the experience. They got Bhagavan. Andal is like us. She was born like us. She grew up like us. She listened to satsangam like us. And because of listening to satsangam from her father Periyalvar, she became besotted in love with Sri Krishna, with Sri Ranganatha. Tiruppi tiruppi Krishna Kadhe kettu, Krishna Kadhe kettu, Krishna Kadhe kettu. Periyalvar athila vera enna solla porar Periyalvar? What else will Periyalvar speak about other than the glory of Ranganatha? Aதையே கேட்டு கேட்டு வளர்ந்த குழந்தை. She has grown up listening to only the glories of Bhagavan. அதனால what else will she ask for? She also said, I want Perumal. She also said, I want only Perumal. And then yearned and pined for him. Nachiyar Tirumozhiyilam காமிக்கிற ஆண்டாள். She shows her longing in the verses of Nachiyar Tirumozhi. How she dreams of him, how she sends messages to him, how she is waiting for the day when he will come and agree to accept her. Since all of these are her experiences, she will very well understand our plight. Bhuma Devi ki Kshamana per. She is called Kshamana, forbearance in Artha, the one with tremendous patience, tremendous forbearance. Like Bhuma Devi, Andal also has tremendous forbearance. How do we know? In Tirupavai songs, we can see the forbearance that she shows. Enna forbearance? The girls all, she goes house to wake up everybody and leads them on to Perumal. Look at the kind of people that she is waking up. Varamatengaradu, Tungardu, illana Shanda pidikirathu. Veembu pandradhu. Tungaradu. Most of the people are sleeping. அவளுக்கே பொறுக்க மாட்டேங்கிறது. தூமணி மாடத்து சுற்றும் விளக்கரிய தூபம் கமழ துயிலனை மேல் கண் வளரும் மாமான் மகளே மணிக்கதவம் தாழ்த்திரவாய் மாமீரவளை எழுப்பீரோ உன்மகள் தான் ஊமையோ அன்றி செவிடோ அனந்தலோ ஏம பெருந்துயிர் மந்திரப்பட்டாளோ மாமாயல் மாதவன் வைகுந்தன் என்றென்று நாமம் பலமும் நவின்றேலோ ரெம்பாவாய். She says, why are you sleeping? Why is this girl sleeping? Is she deaf? I'm calling out, is she deaf? Umayo, is she mute? Is she deaf? Wake her up. Bring her out. What kind of a big sleep is this? Everybody will know. Get up, get up, get up. She's going house to wake up these lazy kids. Alasya, Dirga Nidra, Daridran Rakala. None of these girls are waking up and coming at the right time. So what is Andal's problem? Why can't she go? With patience, untold patience. She struggles with them. She stands outside in the cold. Kanaithilam kattrarumai kandrukkirangi nanaithu mulaivalliye nindru paal shoran nanaithillan cherakkum nachal vandangai panithalai veelanin vaashar kadai patri அப்படிங்க. ஒருத்தராத்துக்கு போயிருக்க ஆண்டாள் has gone to somebody's house. And how is this house? அப்படின்னா a very rich man. A rich man's house. The daughter of that house is living in that house, and there is so many buffaloes that he has tied out in the outer yard. And these buffaloes have got so much milk that they cannot wait for the milkman to come and milk them. The milk is pouring automatically from their udders and running through the front yard and has made the entire front yard into slush. Nanaithu illan share aakum அப்படினு சொல்றாங்க. இல்லமெல்லாம் ஷேர் ஆயிடுதான். வாசல்லாம் ஒரே ஷேர் சகதியா இருக்கு. It is all mud, wet mud made slush by the milk of these sticky mud. Milk இருந்தா ஸ்டிக்கியா இருக்காதோ, sticky mud. Adila Andal is standing in that mud waiting for this girl to wake up and come. So ஒரு பக்கம் கால்லாம் சில்லிட்டு போறது, they are not wearing slippers. செருப்பு boots Wellingtons ஒன்னும் போட்டுட்டு போகல. They are not wearing knee length boots and going. They are going barefoot தான். They are standing in that Shagadi barefoot in the Margazhi Masam வேற. It is the coldest month of the Indian calendar. It is the early morning, wee morning hours. Panithalai villa, frost is falling upon the head. Legs are wet by the slush. Head is getting wet by the Pani that is falling upon her, the cold, the mist, the fog, the hair, the frost that is falling upon the head. இப்படி நின்னுண்டு she's standing here and she's waking these children up. அப்படின்னா என்ன க்ஷமான்னு அர்த்தம் அது. What kind of patience, what kind of forbearance it is. நம்மளா இருந்தோமானால் we people will come and say, get up, we are going to temple, come வரலையா, this is your funeral, go, if you are not coming, it is up to you, I am going அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு போவோம் இல்லையோ. ஆனா இப்போ போல, even though she is undergoing so much difficulty, even if she has got to stand in the slush and expose herself to the elements, she still waits for these other girls also to wake up and come. Are these girls interested? If these girls were interested, should they not have already woken up? They are not interested. She is forcing them to come. Why should she force them? அப்படின்னா க்ஷமா, அதான் forbearance, patience. சரி, why? Okay, you have enough patience, but why should you waste your patience upon all of these girls who are not interested? அப்படின்னா கருணையா, கருணை, compassion, great compassion. Kamalam Ivanyam, like Mahalakshmi, she has got compassion in her heart. என்ன compassion? Let everybody attain him. Let everybody attain him. அப்படிங்கும் பொழுது, is she interested in their welfare? அப்படின்னா not even that. What is she actually interested in? She is interested in Bhagavan's joy. She is interested in Perumal's joy. What will give Perumal Anandam அப்படின்னா, Perumal is waiting for devotees to come. கோவிலை திறந்து பகவான் காத்துன்னு இருக்கார். நடையெல்லாம் திறந்தாச்சு. The main doors of the temple have opened. Finally, as Bhagavan is standing there to give darshan, one fellow is coming. ஒருத்த மாத்திரம் குளிச்சுட்டு வந்து நிற்கிறான். ஒருத்த பிராமணன் வந்து நின்றுருக்கான். One fellow alone is come. பகவான் தேடி பார்க்க, இவன் ஒருத்தன் தான் வந்தானே இன்னைக்கு, வேற யாரும் வரலையா? Nobody else today, only one fellow. நான் போறாதவா, நான் மாத்திரம் தான் வந்தேன். I am not enough for you. I am alone, I have come. அப்படின்னா பெருமாளுக்கு சந்தோஷமா இருக்குமோ? பெருமாளுக்கு இவன் வந்தாரு சந்தோஷம் தான். Bhagavan will be happy that this man at least has come. But the whole crowds are waiting for the doors to open. காத்தால எந்த கோவில்லையுமே விஸ்வரூப தரிசனத்துக்கு போனா தெரியும். In all the great big temples there is a morning விஸ்வரூப தரிசனம்னு ஒரு தரிசனம் உண்டு, early morning தரிசனம். Before the main gates are opened, main doors are opened, people have all assembled already early in the morning and they are waiting. நம்ம பர்த்தியில வெயிட் பண்ணுவா இல்லையா கியூல தர்ஷனுக்கு. Morning 6:45 darshan would be there, people would line up from 3:45 in the morning. For hours together, for 3 hours they will wait in the line. They will line up in the morning. Yeah. Tirupati போனா, if you go to Tirupati, the Suprabhata Sevayo, GR Sevayo, people will be waiting for it. ஸ்ரீரங்கத்துக்கு போனாலும் விஸ்வரூப தர்ஷனம். We went to Guruvayur for விஸ்வரூப தர்ஷனம். குருவாயூர் விஷ்ணு தர்ஷனம் எத்தனை மணிக்கு? 1 மணிக்கு எழுந்து குளிச்சு 2 மணிக்கெல்லாம் போகணும் அங்கே. 2 o'clock we were there. Luckily the time we went was nice and beautiful weather. And we were standing outside. என்ன ஒரு ஆனந்தம் தெரியுமோ, அந்த பக்கம் அப்படியே அந்த கதவு. Just right in front of us the doors. Om Namo Narayana மேலே எழுதிருக்கு. Waiting for those doors to open. தரான்னு கதவு திறந்தா எல்லாரும் நாராயண 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 அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டே உள்ள ஓடுறது. நாராயணா கிருஷ்ணா என்ன குருவாயூரப்பா அப்படி. சில பேர் ஹரே ராம 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 ஹரே ஹரே, ஹரே கிருஷ்ண 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 ஹரே ஹரேன்னு ஒரு கூட்டம், ஒரு கோஷ்டி, ஒரு group are singing in the Mahamantram. Some people are calling on Narayana, some people are calling on Ende Guruvayurappa, Krishna. And the doors open and you rush in and the Perumalukku applaud. We are happy to go and see him. How happy he should be to see so many people have come to see me. அப்படிங்கும்போது அந்த பெருமாளோட முகத்துல ஒரு புன்சிரிப்பு மலராதோ? Will not that beautiful face of the Lord break into a world bewitching smile when he sees so many people rush to him? ஜனத்தை பார்த்த கடல் மாதிரி பொங்கி வராதோ பகவானுடைய ஹிருதயம்? அதனால் that is what Andal wants. That is why Andal is worshipped. Amongst all the other Alvars, whether they have a shrine or not, Andal has a shrine not because she married Ranganatha alone, not only because of that, because she was the only one that struggled for the sake of everybody. She didn't enjoy him exclusively for herself. She thought, if I enjoy him, that is enjoyment for me. I want him to enjoy. How will he enjoy now? When I collect everybody and go, Kudirundu Kulirundelorembavai. It's a Kudirundu. Join bunny together, let us enjoy Bhagavan. Yeah. இத்தனை பேர் நீங்க இருக்கீங்க இல்லையா? So many of you, I am seeing all of you projected onto the wall. I feel so delighted to share the glories of Bhagavan. If only one person was sitting abdinalum, we can still share. And when we see so many people with so many reactions, so many faces smiling in enjoyment, listening to the glories of the Lord, is that joy not multiplied by so many factors? கதை சொல்ற நமக்கே அப்படி இருக்கு அப்படின்னா, we are merely talking about Bhagavan and we ourselves want so many people to listen. How many people would Bhagavan want? How wonderful Bhagavan would feel when so many people come to seek him. When more and more people one-pointedly seek him alone without seeking anything else, how much joy we will be giving to Bhagavan. That's real seva to Bhagavan. That's priya venkarya. What is Bhagavan's goal? What does Bhagavan want? Through Ramavataram, we are able to see it. Through Krishnavataram, we are able to see it. What does he want? He wants to collect devotees. He wants to collect devotees. Not for name, not for fame, not for money, not for any of those things. Not to gather a crowd around him, but to gather devotees around him. Prema, pravah. Bhagavan wants to, an ocean of love, waves of surging love. In that ocean, he wants Priya Bhakta Samudra. He wants to see a great ocean of devotees where there is a lahari. Enna lahari appadina? Abdiye waves of Prema. That's what Bhagavan wants to see. Andal understands Bhagavan's hridayam. எனக்கு என்ன வேணும், இவனுக்கு என்ன வேணும்? What does he want? அப்படிங்கிறதுனால, bearing all the difficulties, she wants to go and collect everybody and she wants to bring everybody to make them all stand in front of Bhagavan. கூடி இருந்து குளிர்ந்தோம், எல்லாருமா சேர்ந்து இருந்து. United, let us worship him. Together, let us worship him. Worshipping him singly, worshipping him individually is always happening in the heart. Even when you are worshipping him together with everybody, also you are worshipping him individually. There is no interruption to your individual exclusive worship of Bhagavan in your heart. But at the same time, when everybody else also comes together, ஆனந்தமா சேர்ந்தா தானே பகவத் விஷயத்துல எப்பவுமே எல்லாரும் சேர்ந்து கூடி இருந்து கொள்ளணும். சத் சங்கம்னாலே மனுஷா இருந்தா தானே சத் சங்கம். Whenever Mahapuja or Jayanti, etc. of Ramana Bhagavan used to happen in Ramanashramam, people have written about it. You can see what people have written about it. On the days when so many devotees come from far-flung places, people will come on important occasions such as Jayanti, etc. On those days, Bhagavan was sitting there radiating with brilliance, radiating with light, an immense presence, even greater than normal. Even greater than normal. My birthday, it is my birthday, therefore I will shine. Bhagavan will Bhagavan who is beyond birth have that feeling? Then why so many people are coming? So many people are coming. Looking at that, alai modum when a wave comes and crashes on the rock, a big spray comes out from it, that it splatters there and it becomes a big spray. The actual wave is only this much, but when it comes on with great force, when it shatters against the rock, then there is a huge spray of water. Like that, when the feelings and the emotions and the prema of these devotees come and hit upon this Bhagavan, a great expansion happens. That expansion is what Andal was able to do. அதுதான் ஆண்டாள் பண்ணா. அத்தனை பேரையும் கொண்டு பக்தியை கூட்டினா எல்லாரோட ஹிருதயத்திலையும். She awoke them. சுப்தமுத்போத்யா அப்படின்னா, சுப்தமுத்போத்யா அப்படின்னா she woke up the sleeping. All the sleeping devotees, all the sleeping heart, she woke them up and she said, why are you sleeping when Bhagavan is here? Bhagavana பார்க்க போகலாம். Let us go and worship him. வாயினார் பாடி தூயோமாய் வந்தோம் துயிலழப் பாடுவான் வாயினார் பாடி மனத்தினால் சிந்திக்க. தூமலர் தூவித் தொழுது, தூயோமாய் வந்தோம் தூமலர் தூவித் தொழுது வாயினார் பாடி மனத்தினால் சிந்திக்க போய பிழையும் புகுதருவான் நின்றனவும் தீயினிர் தூஷாகும் செப்பேலோரெம்பாவாய். She is teaching all of us. With our hands let us throw flowers upon him. With our minds let us think about him. With our lips let us sing his glories. யார பாடணும்னா மனத்துக்கினியானை பாடவும் நீ வாய் திறவாய். சினத்தினால் தென்னிலங்கை கோமானை செற்ற மனத்துக்கினியானை. He who out of anger went and destroyed the Rakshasa king Ravana. Who is he அப்படினா மனத்துக்கு இனியான் அப்படினு சொல்றா. The delight to the heart. ஏனா ராமா அப்படினாலே the one who is the delight to the heart இல்லையா? அந்த அர்த்தம் அதுங்க. சும்மா தமிழ்ல மட்டும் எழுதிடல ஆண்டாள். சம்ஸ்கிருதமும் தெரியும். அதனால she knows the meaning. ராமா அப்படினு சொன்னா ரமேதி, that which delights the heart அப்படிங்கிறதுனால மனத்துக்கு இனியானை சொல்றா. Sing the glories of the one who is the delight to the heart, the one who is sweet to the heart. இனியன் அப்படினா sweet னு அர்த்தம். மனத்துக்கு இனியான sweet heart னு அர்த்தம். He who is our sweet heart, he who is our beloved. கோதாமனன்ய சரணஹ சரணம் பிரபத்யே. அப்பேற்பட்ட கோதா, that extraordinary கோதா ஆண்டாள், அனன்ய சரணஹ சரணம் பிரபத்யே. She is my only refuge. She alone is my refuge. I do not have any other refuge. I do not need any other refuge. ஏன்னா நமக்கு ஆண்டாள் கிடைச்சிட்டாலே அப்புறம் என்ன மிச்சம் வாழலாம். நமக்கு யார் வேணும் அப்படின்னா, who is the best person to worship அப்படின்னா பகவானா அப்படின்னா இல்ல அடியாள். பகவானை விட அடியார்கள் தான். Who are the best people to worship? Not so much Bhagavan, but Bhagavan's servants are even better to worship. और देवता चित न धरे हनुमत से ही सर्व सुख गए. संकट खटे मिटे सब पीड़ा जो सुमिरे हनुमत बलबीरा. हनुमान चालीसा में तुलसीदास says, और देवता चित न धरे. I will not think about other gods. हनुमत से ही सर्व सुख गए. हनुमाने पोरुमे. Hanuman is enough for me. All happiness will come to me with Hanuman alone. I do not need any other gods. Or Devata Chitana, Raman. What about at least Rama? Sri, other Devatas Uttudu, Indran, Suryan, Agni, Vayu, Varunan, all Uttudu Paravala. It doesn't matter. Forget about all the other gods. At least Rama Abdina. At least Raman. Why bother separately about Rama? Hanuman is enough. ஏன்னா ஹனுமான் கூட தான் ராமன் இருக்கான்னு. if Hanuman is there அப்படின்னா in Hanuman's heart who is there? Rama is there இல்லையா? in Hanuman ஹிருதயம் ராமர் இருக்கார் இல்லையா? ராம லக்ஷ்மண சீதா சகித ஹிருதய வசௌ சுரபு. ராம லக்ஷ்மண சீதா சகித ராமா லக்ஷ்மணா சீதா எல்லாருமா சேர்ந்து when Hanuman is there அப்படின்னா everybody else is there also in Hanuman's heart. அதனால ஹனுமானே போருமே அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. Hanuman is enough. Hanuman is enough. Not only that, Hanuman will also understand. Hanuman Namakachi. Hanuman is our party. Ramar la opposition party. Namar Ramar Hanuman tha Namakachi. Hanuman is our party. He is also like us only. You know, he is servant. Lord இல்லையா? He is servant தானே. நம்மளும் servant தானே. We are also servants தானே. Servant தானே சேர்ந்து போக முடியும். Servants will sit together and talk about the Lord இல்லையா? If you are standing in front of the Lord, you are standing in front of the Master, you cannot do anything, you have to be ready, beck and call, you cannot talk, you cannot look here and there, be steady here. But when you are sitting together with all the other servants, that is when you are free, you can talk about the Lord. Hanuman is enough for us. The same way, Godam Ananya Sharanan Sharanam Prabhati Ananya Sharanaha Sharanam Prabhadye. Andal alone is enough for me. Goda Devi alone is enough for me. She alone is my ultimate refuge, my only refuge. I do not need any other refuge. Yana Ivale Porum Alamesha Paritratum. Ivale Porum. To protect me, Andal is enough. She has shown us the path. Drishyam, Yoga Drishyam, she has shown us the path of how to unite with him. How to unite with him na? Toomalar Tuvituldu, Vainar Padi, Manatinal Sindika. How do you unite with him? You serve him with your hands. Bring 4 flowers and offer it to him. Sing his glories with your mouth. Think about him in your heart. You will attain him. Ask only this much from him. Let me serve you. Ask this much. You will attain him. Adanale, she alone is enough for me. She alone is my refuge. Andal is somebody that has to be remembered not just on Trivadi Puram today, but every day. Pratasmaraniya. She is to be remembered every morning. Even if we cannot say anything, at least Chitranjargalaya Shali. It is that one pasuram, Chitranjargalaya and Angakadal Gadinda alone at least should be said by everybody and offer themselves to Bhagavan by saying the words that she has shown us, through which she has shown us what is complete Sharanagati. How does she do Sharanagati? She is showing us, she is giving us the essence of the Yettelthin Porul or Taniyanundu. There is a verse about Andal in which it says the meaning of the 8-lettered word, the meaning of the 2, and the meaning of the final result. அதாவது அஷ்டாட்சரம் துவயம் சரம ஸ்லோகம் எல்லாத்தினுடைய அர்த்தம் எங்க இருக்கு அப்படின்னா திருப்பாவிலேயே எல்லா அர்த்தமும் வந்துடும். Having shown us that wonderful path in a very simple, easy way that anybody can adopt. என்ன பண்ண சின்ன குழந்தை Andal was a young girl when she did Pavai Nombu. She was not a sophisticated lady, she was not an educated lady with grammar. She's not had enough time to get educated. She was a small girl. She was not somebody who was doing tapasya, yoga, sadhana, etc. Enna pannana? Tirupati Bhagavan Nama Padina. She simply sang the name of the Lord. 2 things she did. She sang the name of the Lord and she united everybody in singing the name of the Lord. Those 2 things were enough. Bhagavan accepted her and made her eminently worshipable by everybody. Andal, we remember her not just today, every day, but certainly very specially today. And pray to her, the wish-fulfilling creeper, that she will bestow upon us that kind of prema that she wanted to awaken in the hearts of all those people, the friends that she called every morning and went. The bhakti, the parama bhakti, the paripurna bhakti that she demonstrates in, or through all her pasurams, through all her feelings of the heart. All the other Alvars were only trying to imitate Andal in a way. They also adopted Nayaki Bhavam. They also considered themselves as a woman wanting to attain the Lord as the husband. And Andal was the only one who actually managed to do it. She was the only one who managed to do it. She is ruling over all of them also. We worship her. Like Swami Desikan says, we also surrender to her. Andal Trivadiyalaye Sharanam. We surrender to Andal. Trivadi Purat Jagatudittal Valiye Tirupavai Mupadum Shapinal Valiye Periyalvar Petredutha Penpillai Valiye Perumpudur Mamanikku Pinnanal Valiye ஒரு 143 ரைத்தாள் வழியே உயரரங்கற்கே யுகந்தளித்தாள் வழியே மறுவாரும் திருமல்லி வடநாள் வழியே வன்புதுவை நகர்கோதை மலர் பதங்கள் வழியே. We'll finish off with a Mangalam for Andal.
தங்க பலாக்கிலே
ஆண்டாள் திருவடிகளே சரணம். सर्वे वंशगणाः सर्वे सन्तकामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु भवेत्. लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति. हरि ओम तत्सत् श्री साईश्वरार्पणमस्तु.